First, press and hold the Set button to activate temperature setting. Use the Down button to adjust the target temperature to -20 degrees Celsius. Press the Set button again to complete the setting. Hold Set and Down together until the display shows HY. Press and hold them again until the display shows L2. Release the buttons and the screen will display H.Y. Press the Up button repeatedly until the display shows T.D. Press the Set button again to enter defrost mode. Use the Up or Down button to set the mode to IM. Press Set to save the setting. Press the Up button again to switch to F.C, then press Set to enter the setting. Press any arrow button to change the mode to CN. Press Set to save. Finally, press Set and Up together to save all settings.